Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Assist Fashion Up. This is Sushila. Friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get rid of your dark circles. You know, there are lots of girls and there are lots of person who have this dark circles problem, and it's home remedies. As you all know that I love to do homemade remedies to get rid of my every skin problem. सो आई होप यू विल लाइक इट. अगर वीडियो को पसंद आया तो आप प्लीज़ उसको लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, एंड येस, डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक द बेल बटन टू सी माय न्यू एंड लेटेस्ट वीडियो फर्स्ट. सो लेट्स नॉट टॉक सो मच, लेट्स get into the video and let's see how to get rid of my and even your dark circles in 1 week. So let's get into it.
Take 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, half tablespoon of curd, some lime juice for about 1 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon of honey with some green tea. If you don't have the leaf, you can use the tea bag one also. It's optional, आप कुछ भी use कर सकते हो. And then इसको mix करके रख दीजिए. For your next pack, take 1 teaspoon of rose water and half teaspoon of curd and then mix together. So for the second remedy, take some coconut oil for 3 to 4 drops with some olive oil 2 drops and vitamin E capsule for 2 and some glycerin for 1 drop, 1 to 2 drop, and then mix all together very nicely, and it will look like this. It will change the consistency and it will look a little bit thick. And if you want, you can add some aloe vera gel. So these 3 things have been done, so I am done doing this. So let's show you how to apply this. So first of all, wipe off your dirt, or if you have put any makeup, so wipe it off or you can wash it off. After that, apply it to your under eye area. Make sure that it won't get inside your eyes because it will burn. So yeah, आप इसको पूरा फेस में लगा दीजिए and then let it be dry. इसको आप सूखने के लिए रख दीजिए. उसके बाद आप जब इसको सूख जाएगा, ये थोड़ा स्टिकी हो जाएगा, आप इसको वॉश कर लीजिए और आप इसको वाइप कर लीजिए. सो ये जो ऑयल है मैंने बनाया था, इसमें मैं थोड़ा कॉफ़ी ऐड कर रहा हूँ. सो आप इसको साइड रख दीजिए. सो नाउ अप्लाई द सेकेंड पैक जो मैंने बनाया था, दैट रोज़ वाटर एंड कर्ड वाला. सो उसको आप लगा के सूखने के लिए रख दीजिए फॉर लाइक 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off or wipe it off. Then after that, take the oil. ये सोख लिया है, you can see the changes of the color. एंड देन इसको आप अंडर आई एरिया में मसाज करिए बहुत अच्छा से. You can apply this oil every day before going to the bed, and you can apply this oil in your lips also to lighten your lips. I hope you like it. Bye.